ladies, we're going to go over menus, widgets, modernize, and sidebars today. Just so you know, this here is your main menu, okay? These here on the left hand side, all of these sections are called the sidebar, okay? And each of your pages, like services, about us, experience, principles, okay, they all have their own sidebars, okay, and they also have their own custom menus put inside of them. So the menus were created specifically for this section, okay. So we're going to go through this so you can see how this is done. Okay, and let's click on modernize, okay. And this back here is the panel for the look and feel of your website. So basically you never really have to touch anything that's in here except for where it says sidebar. Okay, and that is only if you want to create a new sidebar. Okay, if you click on sidebar, you see the ones that we already created, and that would be services, principles, news, contact us, experience, and homepage. So basically what we've done is created a separate sidebar for each of these pages so that we can put whatever we wanted into those sidebars. Okay. I'm going to make one, my new sidebar, okay, and I'm going to press the little plus sign and then I'm going to press save changes, okay, so now I've made a new sidebar, okay, and where that lives is, okay, we're going to get out of there now, let's go back to the dashboard, okay, where my little sidebar lives is under widgets and menus and click on widgets. Okay, now if you scroll down, there it is, my new sidebar. Okay, alright, so these are widgets. Okay, I'm actually going to make this a little bit wider. Let's see if I can make my movie wider. No, actually I can't. Okay. Well, in any event, these are widgets, and these are all of the available widgets, okay, on this side of the page. Okay, and these are the sidebars for the pages. So, for instance, if you click on the Contact Us widget, you'll see that this is where we have the email addresses and the links for the Contact Us page, and that's the left-hand side of the contact page. Okay, this is the left side of the news page, this is the left side of the principles page, this is the left side of the services page, etc. So let's just say on my new sidebar I wanted to drag something over here, and I'm going to drag the custom menu. I'm going to drag the experience menu to my new sidebar. Okay, let's say experience. Okay, so that's my new sidebar. Okay, and let's just say that I go to my page. Okay, I add new. Okay, and I'm going to go down, I'm going to choose left sidebar, and I'm going to choose my new sidebar. Okay, and you can save the draft and preview that. Okay, and here's my sidebar. Okay, and I chose to put experience in there in my sidebar. Okay. So basically all I did was I went to modernize, okay, I clicked on sidebar, I created my sidebar, okay, I named it, and then I went to widgets and I put something inside of the sidebar, okay. Now, let's say I drag that out of there and I just want to put a search bar and I want to put some writing, okay. Hello. Press save, save, okay. That's my new sidebar. Now it should have a search box and some text that says hello, okay. So I'm going to go back to pages, my new page, okay, and preview. Okay, and there we have it. There's a search box now and some writing. And again, that's under widgets. So I dragged these things in here, and basically you need to, in order to add something to one of the sidebars, it needs to be available over here. And most of the time you'll be using, the way we have it set up, is you'll be just using a custom menu. Okay, so the custom menus, we already have, most of them built, but I'm going to show you that next, okay? So that's how you use sidebars and widgets, okay? And then menus, okay, this is the place where your menus are located, okay? So let's go to your main menu and press select, okay? And over here shows all of your pages, or you can make links, or you can link to categories. So basically this is what you can put inside of here, which is your menu, okay? So let's just say that we just made our, let's see, we're going to add, let's just say we want to add a new page. So we're going to go to check on this, about us, and press add to menu. Okay, and there you have it. It says about us down here. Okay, that's how you add things to the menu, and you can drag them around if you like. Make them, a sub-item of the main item, or just leave it to the left and it's its own little item. Okay, and I'm going to remove that for now because we don't need that. Okay, and that's your main menu. It's already built out, so if you ever want to add something to it, like let's say you added a new employee, okay, their name would be right here, and you would just check on their name and press add to menu, okay, and then you would drag it right up here under Sharon and Judy, okay, and then you would press save and it would be on the main menu. Okay, now also I created a menu called my new menu, okay, and I wanted to show you this just so that you can see how you create menus. I'll show you, I'll just walk you through creating a new one, but again, you just get things from over here, you press add to menu, and you press save menu, okay? So if you want to create a new menu for the sidebar, give it my menu 2, okay, create menu, and you just want to put about us, education, and Judy, let's say, okay, add that to the menu, press save, okay, and that's my menu 2, okay. Now let's go back to widgets, and we'll go back to my new sidebar, okay, and I'm going to use that menu that I just created, and it's custom menu, okay, and it's my menu 2, Okay, I'm going to press save. Okay, and I'm going to go back to pages. And preview. Okay, and there you have it, my menu too. So basically what I had to do to create this whole area is choose the left sidebar, okay, make sure that my page here says left sidebar, okay. The sidebar that I want it to use is the one that I created, okay. And inside of the sidebar I have my custom menu, okay. So you know, that's the steps to creating it from scratch, but a lot of this is already done for you. So I'm going to go in and delete the ones that I just, like this one, we don't need this one, okay, my menu too, I'm going to delete that. And my new menu, which is another one I created to show you, I'm going to delete that as well, okay. So we don't need any of those. But we already have experience, the main menu navigation, that's the one across the top, media, principals, services, and the top, which we're not using, okay? So basically that's all we need to do with the widgets and menus.